This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: your Janus Pro account, API key, and a workstation with GPU enabled. Once done, open the app or client and choose the Pro profile so you get higher resolution models and faster inference. You should also gather 1 to 3 reference images and jot down concise prompt attributes like style, subject, and mood. This saves iterations. Make sure to set the output folder and preferred file format before moving to the next step. Now you configure prompts and model settings to steer results. You'll write structured prompts: subject, style, details, lighting, and camera, because clarity reduces wasted variations. Next, select the model variant and sampler, set steps typically between 20 and 50, and tune CFG scale for adherence to prompts. Increase resolution for final renders and apply image conditioning or masks when you want localized edits. Once these are set, run a low-res test, pass to validate composition and tones before full render. You finish by executing the full render and carefully reviewing output for artifacts or composition issues. If imperfections appear, use targeted inpainting or run small batch variations with slight prompt changes to explore better versions. Save preferred seeds and settings for reproducibility. If a render fails or quality is poor, first reduce steps or resolution to test GPU limits, clear RAM, and simplify the prompt. These fixes often resolve crashes. Finally,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.